Hey travelers, it's Jenny from Repeatabl. Today I want to show you exactly what your Repeatabl Travel System comes with. First thing I want to show you is this card. This shows you the benefits of your Repeatabl Travel System as well as the exact steps of how to actually use your Repeatabl Travel System. The next thing is the box that the unit itself comes in. So it comes in a nice box, perfect for giving. And when you open it, you'll see we also send with you some labels. So we have 12 labels that are already pre-made, and then we have 12 labels that are blank for you to fill out. And we also send you a marker in this nice little box, and with the marker you can actually write. If you want to use something that isn't in your prepaid label, you would just write with the marker, stick it on the top of your Repeatabl system. There's indentions for that. And there you go. You can label each of the pods with whatever you want with your with the blank labels. And the good thing about these labels is you can change them out. All you have to do is get a cotton ball and some rubbing alcohol, and that'll take off the text that you already wrote, and you can write something new. So I'll show you how to do that in another video. But if you haven't already, please follow us, please like this video, and please tell all your friends.